How to export your voice audio as WAV on Audacity. Hello guys. So all what you have to do is go to Audacity. As you can see, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do here is so simple. Just select your audio like this and go to the top corner, click here on file, and now after you click on file, all what you have to do is go down and go to export, and here you will find export as WAV. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.